Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1040. First, collect all your income statements, including Form W-2 from employers and Form 1099 for other income sources. Next, identify your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Finally, decide if you will take the standard deduction or itemize your specific deductions to reduce your taxable income. After gathering your documents, accurately report all income sources on Form 1040, such as wages, interest, and dividends. Then, calculate your adjusted gross income, or AGI, by subtracting specific deductions like student loan interest or IRA contributions. Finally, apply any eligible tax credits, which directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, potentially leading to a larger refund. Now, use the official tax tables or worksheets provided by the IRS to accurately figure out your total tax liability. Be sure to include any tax payments you've already made throughout the year, such as withholdings from your paycheck or estimated tax payments. This step will clearly show if you owe more tax or if you are due a refund. Before submitting, meticulously review your entire Form 1040 for any errors or omissions. Accuracy is crucial to avoid delays or issues. Once you are confident, sign and date your return, then choose your preferred filing method, either electronically through approved software or by mailing a paper copy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.